Your car is not slow. Your car is not old. And no, you don't need a new engine. Here's the real problem. Modern cars are deliberately held back by software, by hidden restrictions, by lifetime parts that fail mysteriously right after warranty. Dealerships know this, mechanics know this, manufacturers definitely know this, but they never tell you. Today, I'm exposing 10 illegal car tricks. Tricks mechanics use quietly, tricks dealers charge thousands for, and tricks manufacturers don't want you to know. Important, these are real fixes you can do yourself. Stay until the end because trick number 1 alone can make your car feel 20% faster in under 30 seconds. No tools, no money. Let's start. By the way, most people ruin their car right after this first mistake. Number 10. ECU Relearn Procedure. Mistake? Driving immediately after a battery disconnect or repair. Your ECU forgets everything. Fuel trims, idle control, throttle mapping, so your car feels rough, lazy, and unresponsive. The fix? Almost nobody does this. Reconnect the battery, start the engine, let it idle untouched for 15 minutes. No AC, no throttle. Skip this step, and every other trick works worse. Dealer reprogramming? $150. DIY? $0. Result? Stable idle, smoother response. Number 9. Dirty air intake lie. Mistake? Believing your engine is breathing fine. Reality check? After 30,000 miles, most intakes are coated in sticky carbon sludge, choking airflow and killing efficiency. The fix? Warm the engine, use intake cleaner or seafoam, spray into intake while holding RPM around 2,000. Yes, it will smoke. That smoke is carbon burning off. Dealer service? $300 to $400. DIY? $8 to $12. Result? Smoother idle, better MPG, stronger pull. Next trick affects your transmission. Ignore it and repairs get expensive. Number 8. Transmission sealed for life scam. Mistake? Believing lifetime transmission fluid. Lifetime is warranty lifetime, not engine lifetime. Old fluid turns into varnish, clogs solenoids, and causes hard shifts to transmission failure. The fix? Safe way. Never do a full flush. Do partial drain and refill every 10 to 15,000 miles. Replace 1/3 of the fluid each time. Dealer rebuild? $3,000 to $5,000. Prevention? $80 to $120. Result? Smoother shifts, longer transmission life. Next trick controls combustion. Mess this up and power drops silently. Number 7. Spark plug gap secret. Mistake? Trusting factory-gapped spark plugs. Factory gaps are mass production guesses, not precision-tuned. Even a tiny error weakens combustion. The fix? Tighten spark plug gap about 0.02 inches tighter than factory spec. Stronger spark, cleaner burn. Dealer tune-up? $250 plus. DIY? $0. Result? Smoother idle, better throttle, cleaner burn. Number 6. MAF sensor cleaning trick. Mistake? Replacing MAF sensors too early. Most MAF sensors are not broken, just dirty. Dust coats the sensor wire, ECU overfuels. The fix? Remove MAF. Spray with MAF cleaner only. Let dry, then reinstall. Dealer replacement? $150 to $300. DIY? $8. Result? Instant MPG improvement. Number 5. Oxygen sensor revival. Mistake. Replacing O2 sensors automatically. Most slow down from carbon buildup, not failure. The fix? Remove sensor. Soak tip overnight in gasoline or sensor-safe cleaner. Reinstall. Dealer cost $250 to $400. DIY $0 to $10. Result? Smoother acceleration, better fuel trims. Number 4. Throttle body reset trick. High retention part. Most drivers think pressing the gas pedal controls the engine. It doesn't. The ECU decides how much power you get. Over time, it learns lazy habits. Illegal reset, hidden by manufacturers. Key on, engine off. Press gas pedal fully for 10 seconds. Key off. Wait 10 seconds. Start engine. Dealer cost $120 to $180. DIY $0. Result, sharper throttle, instant response. If your engine has carbon buildup, the next trick fixes it permanently. Number 3. PCV oil trap hack. Mistake, ignoring oil vapor entering intake. Bad PCV equals oil mist equals carbon buildup. The fix, install a small inline fuel filter and PCV hose. Cheap catch can. Dealer system, $150 to $300. DIY, $3 to $5. Result, cleaner intake, steadier idle. Number 2, injector direct cleaning trick. Mistake, relying on fuel tank additives. Additives dilute so they don't deep clean. The fix, run engine directly on injector cleaner through the fuel rail for a few minutes. Shop service, $200 to $400. DIY, $15 to $25. Result, smoother idle, faster cold starts, better throttle. Now the trick manufacturers hate most, number 1, will extend engine life massively. Number 1, the illegal oil additive truth. Mistake, believing oil additives are bad. High moly or ZDDP additives reduce friction, protect metal, and quiet worn engines. The fix, add approved friction modifier during oil change. Dealer repair, $1,000 plus. DIY, $10 to $15. Result, quieter engine, smoother revs, longer life. These 10 illegal tricks cost less than $100 total, but can prevent thousands in repairs. Start with trick number 10 today. 30 seconds, $0. If this video saved you money, like it, subscribe, comment engine unlocked. Next video, 10 illegal tricks that make any car run better fast. See you there.